And this is my party slime. And it really looks like a party because it's got so many beads in it and so many colors. It's like one of my favorites. When I first seen it, it was like a...
Jojo, we forgot to tell them who we are.
I said I was Jojo.
I'm Bree.
Oh, well,
and today we're gonna be showing slime. Now, go on.
Okay, so this is my party slime. And really can get some goofy little designs out of it.
I can understand how it's party slime because there's so many colors inside of it.
Right. It looks like a party, like somebody throwing confetti.
I know, right? It's like crazy. Okay, well, it's time to show my slime.
Okay.
Bree here. This is mellow slime, and as you can see, it's really like pokey. And this is actually one of my favorites out of all that I have. And this is Jiggly slime, and I just really want to introduce Jiggly slime to people. So yeah, this is mellow slime. Okay, should we switch, Jojo?
We already did, didn't we?
Nope, we gotta switch again to feel each other's slime.
Okay. There you go.
Party slime feels really good. This is my party slime.
I got the party slime.
Yeah, it's hers, but it feels really good. How do you think my mellow? How do you think my mellow slime feels? Listen,
every once in a while, you pop a bead out of there.
Yep.
And then you can pick it up with the slime and get it back into the slime. You see, there's one laying right there. See that little bead laying there? Nope.
Oh, it's like, it always escapes. It's really satisfying, guys. Like, just listen. It's like, literally, it's like really noisy. Okay, now let's put it into the container.
Okay, I got the party slime.
Yep. Bree here, I'm going to show you minion slime. So it's kind of like a translucent. So I'm just going to poke it for you guys. And guys, listen. That didn't make that much noise, but maybe this will. That made plenty of noise, right, Jojo?
Mm-hmm.
So why I kind of named it minion slime is because like yellow and blue remind me of the minions. It's really translucent and it's pretty sticky, but it's also Jojo's turn.
I have which one do I have?
I think she has a fairy slime.
I have the fairy slime. That's because see how light it is? Like a fairy. Look at this, how it stretches. You know, you can take it and you can punch it, make it feel good. Make it into whatever shape you want. You can make it like a doggy bone, or you can make and then when you lose a bead, you just have to flip over onto the bead and pick it up with the slime. It sticks right in there.
Hey Jojo, let's see which one's more stretchier. Okay, so you can go first with the stretchiness.
Can you see?
Well, I'm going to show you how stretchy mine is. So mine's like really stretchy because it looks like water. I don't know how
mine's
the way...
just going long.
Yeah.
Oops.
Guys, it's really cool.
Now it looks like some kind of a monster snake. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it kind of does. Not much a fairy anymore.
No, it's a snake. That's because you can do it into all different things. You don't really have to, just because it's the fairy slime, you don't have to make fairy. You can make whatever you want out of it.
Let's switch.
Okay.
Sorry, I have to destroy you, snake. Okay.
I've got the minion.
And I've got the fairy. I kind of like the fairy one. It's kind of nice.
It is. This one just has blue and yellow mostly.
Yeah.
2 white. And I see 1 big pink one. Maybe 2 pink ones.
I'm gonna find out how pokey this is.
You can even make it stand up if you want. Look at that. But then all of a sudden you see, because it's slime, it starts melting and falling over.
Okay then, so now we're gonna show you our last slime. Here are our next slimes. Jojo can start.
Okay, I'm Jojo. I've got the girly slime, which is really very pretty. I think it looks like all jewels in there. And you can just make it into whatever you want. It would really make like some nice earrings or something. You take 2 out of it, and then make 2 earrings. Then you have put whatever shape you want on them, like strawberries, but you'd have to even them out to make sure that they're the same size. Or you can put them back together.
Okay, I'm going to show my slime now.
Okay.
I've got the nice cheerleader slime. It's very, very pretty, I've got to say. So this is kind of like, it's sort of satisfying.
Why did you call it cheerleader?
Because it just looks like a cheerleader, you know? Because it's like, no, it's nice and it looks like a pom-pom to me.
Okay.
So, this is how I'm going to poke it to see how it feels. It isn't that pokeable. Let's see. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, let's see girly slime. Maybe that one's better for poking.
I don't think so. That's what I've done.
Let me try. I'm really good at poking. Girly slime has a really good poking sense.
This is a beaver.
I think it's from the girly slime. Okay. So, that is all for our slime review. But we've got to clean this stuff up, right?
It's really easy to clean up.
No, look how easy this is. Come on, let's clap our hands. How about we do this, right? Set. Whoa, it's all gone.
How about that?
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Bree.
And I'm Jojo.
And
join us again.
And we'll see you later. Peace. See you guys later. Bye.